Hey class, this is my representation of a cell. It is mainly made out of Play-Doh. So the cell, as we know, is the fundamental unit of life. It is the first living level of organization. It is made out of the cell membrane, the cytoskeleton, and cytoplasm. So the cell membrane here is represented by these two lines I drew. It is bilayered, which is why there's two blue lines. The cell membrane is what encloses the cell, serves to protect the cell, interact with other cells, and controls what enters and exits the cell. The cytoskeleton here is represented by these brown Q-tips. They are proteins for structural support, and the cytoplasm is all the content inside of the cell, so including all these organelles, and the cytosol, which is fluid inside of the cell. Typically it's water, so we'll just have to pretend that there's water all over or all inside of the cell where all the organelles are floating in. So the largest organelle here is going to be the nucleus. The nucleus is where DNA is located, and it also has, similar to a plasma membrane, a nuclear envelope which controls what goes in and out of the nucleus. Inside of the nucleus is the nucleolus, which produces ribosomes. And ribosomes, you'll see, are these small particles which are found individually in the cytoplasm. Playing the role of the ribosomes are these pink nerd candies. And they are the site of protein synthesis and read genetic material. You'll see them in the cytoplasm, like I mentioned, and also in the endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. They look like these flat membrane sacs. We've got two types, the rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They're easy to distinguish. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes. Proteins are produced there and transported to the Golgi complex. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is where lipids are produced and toxins are broken down. The next organelle we can go over here is the Golgi complex. The Golgi complex functions to package materials and substances from the endoplasmic reticulum and transport them to wherever they are needed in the cell, and in and out of the cell. The next organelle we can look at here is the lysosome. So the lysosome is an organelle that contains digestive chemicals which break down dead organelles and waste inside of the cell. Similar to it is this representation, pretty similar, is the peroxisomes, which are produced by the ER. They help to detoxify the cytosol by producing hydrogen peroxide. This organelle right here is the mitochondria. I went ahead and drew the internal folds in there called cristae with that blue marker. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, as we all know. It is where cell respiration takes place and energy is made. Energy known as ATP. And the last organelle I'll go over here is the centriole. They are it's cylindrical microtubules, and they are found in pairs. It's represented by these Q-tips here. They are perpendicular to one another and are very important in cell division. So very, very simple diagram here, or model, and I hope all of you guys were able to learn something from it, and I hope you liked my video. Thank you.